Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1 applications of matrices and determinants. Today in exercise 1.8 choose the correct answer. We are going to see sum number 7 and sum number 8. Now what is sum number 7? If P is the adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix A, so this is nothing but equal to adjoint A, okay, and determinant of A equal to 4, then X is, so you have to find out the value of X given in this adjoint A. Actually we know this property, determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant A power n minus 1, where n is the order. Actually our n here is going to be 3, therefore this is going to be determinant A power 3 minus 1, that is equal to determinant A power 2, okay. So adjoint of this, okay, determinant of adjoint A, that means this matrix determinant, okay, determinant is equal to determinant of A, so you could write it as 1 x 0 1 3 0 2 4 minus 2 determinant is equal to determinant A the whole square, that is equal to, actually the value is given as 4, so 4 square, that is equal to 60, okay. Now we are going to expand this through C3 through this, so this is going to be plus minus and plus, okay. So these two are 0, so you are going to take this 2 alone, minus 2 alone you are going to take, so deleting this corresponding row and corresponding column, you get it as, what will be your determinant value, will be minor 1 x and 1 and 3, okay. So this is going to be with along with minus 2. Going to be equal to with minus 2, because this is 0 into the minus 0, 0 into minus 0. So you are going to get minus 2 into this. So minus 2 into expanding this, you will get it as 3 minus x equal to 16. So 2 and 16, if you cancel, this will become 8. And when minus you take it inside, you will get minus 3 plus x equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to, when minus 3 comes to the right hand side, it is 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11. Therefore our x is equal to 11 is our answer. Where is the 11? It's in the fourth subdivision, so our answer is 4, 11, okay. Now we shall see our 8th problem. Now see, A is given and A inverse is given, and the value of A23, they are asking this value. Actually what is our A inverse formula? 1 by determinant A by adjoint A. What is our adjoint A? Cofactor matrix transpose. So when you write cofactor matrix, this row will become as column, okay. So this all are this is transferred into our column, okay. Now we want A23 here in A inverse. Where is our A? This A23 corresponds to this element A32, okay. What is our, actually we are going to write it as A23 equal to, what is our here, A32 along with this determinant A, so along with determinant A. So you are going to find for this determinant A, what is our determinant A? 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 1 2 minus 1, okay. Expanding through row 1, plus minus and plus, you will get it as 3 into our minor minus 1 into our minor and minus 1 into our third minor, okay. So what is going to be your first minor? Deleting your first row and the first column, you will get it as minus 2 0 2 minus 1. Second one, it is going to be, you are going to delete your second column. Second column, you will get the minor as 2 0 1 and minus 1. Deleting our third column, okay, this is 2, and here it is, when you delete, this is going to be 2, isn't it? Now deleting our third column, you are going to get it as 2 minus 2 1 and 2. So this is going to be 3 into minus plus 2, the other one is 0, minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 4 plus 2, okay. So this is going to be 6 plus 2 minus 6, 6 and 6 get cancelled, that is equal to 2. Therefore determinant A equal to 2, substitute here. So A23 equal to A32 by determinant A, okay. What is our A32? Where is our A32 here in A? This is our element, okay, because this is the cofactor of third row second element. So this cofactor you are going to get. So you are going to delete this column and delete this row. So what is going to be your cofactor of A32? That also you can write. Okay. And what is our A32 equal to? Deleting 2 and this, what is the minor? And it is going to be minus, isn't it? Because here it is plus, minus and plus. So this element everything, so minus. So our minor is going to be 3, minus 1, 2 and 0. Okay. Deleting 3, minus 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now expanding this, you will get it as minus of 0 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Now substitute here. Therefore A23 equal to minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Where is our minus 1 answer? Fourth subdivision is our answer. Okay. So for the 8th sum it is fourth subdivision minus 1. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate this. For this you should know this formulas. What is our A inverse adjoint A? What is adjoint A? Cofactor matrix transpose. That is going to be A32. Actually this is our final matrix. Here you will get here 1 by determinant A. Okay, 1 by determinant A you should not forget. 1 by determinant A should be there. So for each and every element you are going to divide by determinant A. So only I have taken for A32. I have calculated what is A32 from our matrix A, and then divided by determinant A from that also from the matrix A. Okay. So you are getting the answer as minus 1 is the answer. Okay. Is it clear? Thank you.